G'day everyone, thanks for joining us. Yowies are back down the river. A little bit chilly today. Down another spot. Looks like it's regularly used. Fishing poles there already. Oh yeah, let's get the rods wet and see how we go here. Stay tuned. Might even have a cook up. We've been here hour and a half. Mrs. Yowies had a couple of nibbles. I've had zero. But the wind's sort of picked up, which has got like a bit of an arctic bite to it. And it's blowing from that direction. But up here, now it's not going to squeak. Hear it? Giant widowmaker. We're starting to get a bit iffy about standing under this thing. But we'll see if the wind stays or goes. Okay, check this out, fans and air conditioners. Look at this, Mrs. Yowies' pink rod. Pink balls, pink bells. You go this way. We've got Mr. Yowies' rod, nice shiny green one. Green balls, bells, sorry. And we're waiting for the fish to bite. Alright, better get down here. Mrs. Yowies' bells are ringing. I might have to apologise for the wind noise. I did say it was gusting out here. Nothing. Oh, we got one. Here we go. What have we got? Carp, perch, cod, arapaima. What do we got? Big dirty carp. Well done. Okie dokie. We're all packed up. Yeah, it's getting a bit iffy with the widowmaker up here, squeaking away, and it's getting worse. The wind's and we're going to head off to another place because, well, Mr. Yowie's freezing his sinkers off out here. So we're going to go look for another place where it's a little bit out of the wind. And we might wet the lines again and have a snack. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, back down the river to a not so windy spot. It's still windy, but it's a little bit better. Me and Mrs. Yowie can hear each other. Alright, let's show you where we are. Come on, buddy. Yeah, park down here. Oh, Mrs. Yowie's that side, we'll go this side. Alright, so this is where we're situated now. Got our rods in. Oh, I hear ice. Alright, better put the camera down. Well, that's where we are, everybody. So we're going to have a crack here. Actually, I've already had some bites. Or it was the dog, we're not sure. But this is where we are, so we're going to have a crack here. False alarm. That was a big fish.
Sounded big.
That was big. That was a gunshot.
Yeah, got a couple of them. Down there?
Oh, he just got off.
Oh,
Oh, son of a joke. Ain't gonna get any bites. Don't have worm on there. Could be a worm. over to go. Well, just stoked the fire up. We've had a few bites. I haven't really got one in onto the bank, but yeah, she took off. Mrs. Yowie's had a couple of decent bites. But I reckon it's time to cook up a snack because it's a beautiful day. And for those of you that want to know where Yowies live, have a look at that. That's a Yowie shack. Alright, time to prepare the snack. Chicken skewers on the fire, but done with mango chutney. Mango chutney chicken skewers with a light garden salad because it's an awesome day. So let me get chopping and I'll bring you back when I'm cooking.
Oh, big bite. Big bite. You on there?
Something wrong with the end of my rod. The bell.
Oh, grab the bell.
Yeah, stay on there.
Oh.
Yeah, no, carp.
Ah, stinking carp.
Stinking carp with big herpes on it. Quick.
Oh.
Rod's in the water.
Down there.
Bring it in.
That's what?
I didn't record you bringing it in.
Ah, that's alright.
Two at once.
Hey.
Just when we were going to sit down and start cooking up. Alright, get back to you. Right, chicken's cooked. Cooked. Gee, have a look at that, it's raw. Chicken's all sliced up, ready to be marinated in the mango chutney. It would be nice if it was marinated overnight, but that's how it is. So we're just going to deal with it. So, yep, let me get to marinating the chicken. The mango chutney, Beerenberg. I think they're South Australian. Alrighty. A few spoonfuls of this. Now it should do that. Give it all a stir. Looking good. Alright. Put them on the skewers and on the fire she goes. Alright, skewers, marinated chicken, ready to go on the fire. I think Mr. D wants some chicken, if you can hear him in the background there. Alright, something like that. Bob's your uncle. I'm going to go throw this on the fire. Alright, see how that goes. Alright, chicken is done. Follow me and have a look at this. There we go. Roast chicken skewers on an open fire. Mango and chutney. Relish. With a little bit of salad. Yummo. Just chili salt, nothing special. And on we go. Chicken skewers. Here we have it. Nice light chicken and salad out down the river on a beautiful day like today. Yaki da, we're going to sit back and enjoy. Oh yeah, with a scotch.
On there?
Big carp. Big smelly carp. Oh, he's on there.
Stuck in here.
Alright, lunch was absolutely scrumptious, wasn't it, Mrs. Yowie? Alright, so caught a few fish, had a nice meal, and I think we're going to pack up. But before we go, I want to show you something. Have a look at this. There's a couple of really big hollow trees. I'll show you if I can get in there. Have a go at this one. Then we got one more down in here. Not as big as that last one, but just as impressive. Ooh, prickles. Lots of prickles. Alrighty everyone, we're all packed up, as you can tell. We're in the car. We're going home because we had a beautiful day. Nice snack down the river. Caught a few fish. So yeah, that brings us to the end. So I'm going to say catch us later. Everyone be safe around the campfire. Stay tuned for the next episode.